This is a new to me Kenwood TS-430S, the first 430S I've operated. I've had quite a number of Kenwoods, but this is the first 430S I've had, and it came with condition unknown. So we'll power it on and see what the situation is. You can see we have immediately a response from the meter. We have one digit of the display, some other lights, VFO and mode, and we've got some sound out from the speaker too. So there's a start. It's not completely dead. Might be able to be revived yet. Let's have a look at, we've got the standard Kenwood mic and the up and down switches. Get the frequency to change, or what should be the frequency to change. So there's the start. I can go into transmit, and you'll see there relay click, and we're on the air into a dummy load, on and off. I can do that manually with send and receive switch, so that's functional. The Vox goes in and out very quickly. I'll continue moving across to the modes, and you'll see that I can go to FM, no audio though, and the squelch is all the way down, I believe. Yeah, the squelch is all the way down, so I really should hear some signal there. AM we were, CW, lights, upper side, no output or no audio, no lower side. So I can go upper side, CW, down to AM and FM. Let's have a look what the VFO is doing, and you'll see that it is changing as I rotate the VFO, but no more information, bit of a jumble. We'll look at the band switch next, and it's registering that I'm pressing it with a beep, but not much else. I can't tell whether it's what's going on there. As far as some of the other functions here, if I go to step, the light's on and off, so it is showing that it's receiving that. We've got a beep response there, it goes across to memory channels, and I can go through the memory channels, and that's all correct, but not sure what the memory channels are. I have done a reset of the microprocessor. That's the first thing I did, so I thought do the easy things first. As far as other controls, I know the RIT light comes on, the attenuator I can't really tell, and the notch I can't really tell. As far as the internals, I've had a look through, done some preliminary measurements, and there's no obvious components that are scorched or bulging, so there's quite a few connectors that I'd be reseating before doing too much else, but also some measurements to be taken. And there's a fair bit of collected wisdom over many years now. These are not a new radio by any means, but I'd like to see if I can get this one back and operational.